Hello everyone. Today I am going to walk you through an amazing automation workflow I created using n8n, our very own data analyst AI agent. This workflow not only simplifies data handling, but also integrates AI to generate insights from your data effortlessly. Just imagine you received a message asking for data insights, and within seconds, a fully automated system fetches the data, processes it, analyzes it using AI, and delivers the insight, all without lifting a finger. Doesn't it sound like magic? Well, no, it's not magic. It's just the power of automation. So first, let's try what it actually does. Here, when we provide a chat input as per the chat provided, it finds insights from the dataset we have here in the Google Sheet. Now, let's just open this chat. And here we will type our query or the prompt, like, give the number of females from the dataset. The node is executed, and after examining the dataset, we get the total number of females as 192. Okay. So this is basically the input type and the output type of our automation. Now, let's learn about it from scratch. For that, we will open another project. Just go to Home. And here click on the Add Workflow option. The first step is to get a trigger chat box. Okay, we can see the chat so that we can input a chat or prompt. Just type chat trigger so that we can trigger a chat. Here, make this chat publicly available. No initial method needs to be provided. Just test it by typing hi. So we have created a chat window. It is giving us no response because we have no content to display. So we have created a chat trigger. After adding the chat triggering node, we will add a Google Sheet so that we can read data from the sheet. Here, we will select Get Rows in a Sheet because we need to read it. You have to provide credentials to connect with the Google Sheet. I have already provided them, so I will directly select my credential name. But you will need to provide the credentials it asks for. After that, we have to give the resource. Here, we will give the sheet within the document's resource, and the operation will be Get Rows because we need to read it. So, I will provide the Get Rows operation. After that, the document will be mock data, and the sheet will also be mock data. After that, I will check. The output is in table format or JSON format, which means it is reading the provided sheet. Till now, what we did is, first, when the chat received node starts, it listens for any new messages, which is the primary input for this automation. Next, we connect to the Google Sheets. This node pulls the data directly from a specific sheet. In this example, it is configured to read data dynamically, giving us real-time updates. After the data is fetched, we use the aggregate node to perform computations like filtering data or summarizing it. So, just find the aggregate node. Here, we aggregate all the data provided by the sheet into a single list and put the output in a field called Data, including all the fields. Save it and check it again. It will provide all the fields into an output field called Data. Next, we will extract columns. The Get Columns node ensures we isolate the exact data fields we need to work with. Click Edit Field. Add a field and set it as columns. The value of the column will be all the keys of the data object. After that, we will get the 0th index of the data and then stringify it. This will form a string of it. Save it and check it. It will be an expression format, not a fixed format. In the expression format, it will provide the output, which will be all the column names. After that, we will add another node, which will be our AI agent node. Here, we will make it a tools agent and define the prompt. The prompt will be provided in the when chat message received step. Add a chat model, which will be our OpenAI chat model. You also have to provide credentials here. Then, add a memory called window buffer memory. Provide the session ID below, which we get by executing previous nodes, and give the number of females. It provided the output. Inside the chat model, we get no data. Add another tool, which will again be the Google Sheet. The credentials will remain the same. The tool description will be set automatically. Select Get Rows and choose the list of documents and sheets. Provide the session ID in the AI agent node and add a system message like this. You are a helpful data analyst assistant skilled at working with Google Sheets. Your goal is to help the user. Add the column names of the sheet. Test this step. Update the session ID in the window buffer memory, save it, refresh it, and check it. So here is update the key or the session ID for this window buffer memory. It is taking it again, save it, refresh it, and check it. This automation is now completed and provides the required output. For example, after examining the list, I found a total of 192 females in the dataset. You can also check by typing another question, like, give the number of males. It gives 146 males in total. What does this all mean? By automating these tasks, you can save hours of manual effort, gain AI-driven insights on the fly, and seamlessly manage and store data in tools you already use. That's it for this app automation in today's video. And there you have it, a fully automated data analyst AI agent built with n8n. Thanks for watching.